Squishy the Bearded Dragon and I are getting ready for our next event, and I wanted to show you my charging setup on how I charge up these Rockville RF4 lights here. They do sell a charging case for this, but it's a little bit bulky, and I like to just carry these packs here. I've got 4 of these, or 5 lights will fit in each pack. It may look like 6 will fit, but it's pretty tight. But 5 fit in there really good, and I'm able to put the extra remotes and everything here on the side. But rather than buy their charging case, I went ahead and just built my own here. And this is another one of the Rockville cases that you can house these lights in. So I wanted to kind of have it all together. There's really 5 packs in total if I count my charging kit. And I'm using these right here. These are plugs that have 5 outlets on them with 1 inlet for the power here. So this is 2 of these. You can see I've got my 5 plugs, 1 for this set, 1 for this set. And then I bought a splitter plug that plugs into these, so I only have to use 1 plug into the wall there. And I did it with a, it's angled downward, 90 degrees down, so it's not just sticking out like that. I'm going to have links for all this, though, in case you miss any of this or in case you want to build your charging kit like I did here. The other neat thing is if something happens, I've got 10 more of these chargers here, so I could always unplug these and put a new set in. To try to keep the wiring kind of nice and neat, I did use some of this nylon loom here. So I did wrap that all the way around so I don't have 5 wires on each side just kind of moving around. So it kind of looks like one bundle, and I measured out how I could get to all 5 lights there where I'm not having to separate them or they're not too short there. So that's kind of the way I do it. And since I have 20 lights, what I'll do is I'll charge 10 of them the night before, and then when I wake up that morning, I'll just move the plugs and move them to these other 10 lights here. So I really only need this 1 charging bag set up here. Like I mentioned too, I'm going to have all the links for this. I'll also link the lights if you're interested. If you've never seen these, I'll do some other reviews on these lights as well. But I'll have the links for these style plugs I used in here where I can put 5 of these. This Y adapter here, which you only have to use 1 there. I'll put some of the loom that I've used there. That makes it a little bit easier. The lights, the bags, and everything if you want to use a setup like this. And again, just check out the channel. I've got some stuff there for our Bearded Dragon. That's Squishy the Bearded Dragon. But if you're interested and this was helpful or useful for you, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.